Guys, dapat mapanood nyo to. This is a short film sa YouTube. It's called Gasolina. Actually, ano to I think sa Holy Week yata to. Dapat, supposedly. Pero guys, grabe na, kaiyak siya. It's really, really good. Lalo na sa, Bisaya kasi siya So, I think only Bisaya can relate. Maghanap na lang kayo ng translator. So, it's all about the sacrifice of a father, sleepless nights, unspoken struggles, that we never notice. And, carrying the weight for the family. Binasa ko lang yung nasa gentle reminders of the family with strength, love, courage, every sacrifices that they need for the future. They need to act like an alpha just to make sure that yung family ay hindi gumuho. Grabe lang. As in, panoorin nyo guys. This is, by the way, directed by Direct Joseph Sabilo. Nasa YT, libre lang siya. And mga known vloggers yung mga ay gumanap. Grabe, ang galing. Dapat mga Bisaya na na filmmakers should also step up. Dapat mag-boost yung mga Bisaya filmmakers. We need that. It's time for the Bisaya to take the stage, the center stage. Mga singers, dancers, sa arts. Because hindi tayo masyadong na-recognize Yes, mga artists na-recognize. Pero how about yung mga films natin na in Bisaya or in Cebuano? So, dapat supportahan natin yung mga kagaya ni Direct Joseph Sabilo. Yun lang. Bye.